So I take out my juice. Put this as you want to who I drink out my juice. The juice now, if you told them I drink, who I drink it?
Juice, yeah, man.
Are you a drink out my juice?
No, no.
What do you mean no?
No, I drop it and drop out and catch it.
What juice you drop out here and take it up?
Can I catch it, sir?
Oh, make it drop. Make it drop.
Make-
Yo, watch it up. We don't want to drink everything then, bro.
I don't mean, and you. If I didn't remember that, I mean, look at
See camera there, right? That's how you. What do you mean I know you?
AI.
What do you mean I know you? Take it back out your belly and put it back in a. Come, take it out now, man. Take back the juice out your belly and put it in a.
In a cup.